Welcome to the lost city, Petra, Jordan.
Where are you from?
Philippines. Thank you.
Married me?
Huh?
You married? Anna, you are single?
Yep.
It is only 7 in the morning and we're all ready to go.
Also,
This bus is going to take us to our
Israel,
destination. It's going to be a long ride, but I'm sure it's going to be worth it. So, take a look outside. So this is downtown Algebra. Now I know what a city in a desert looks like. Literally when it's splash water in it, it looks so dry and hot to me. But I love that it looks warm and beige and golden as well. So we're still 2 hours away from Petra and I am already blown away. Look at these mountains. Look at these formations in the middle of nowhere. So together with me in this tour are the wonderful people of Sapphire Princess. This one is nice, okay.
this one polyester, you need cotton like this?
Only $5. I need $5 only. Hey, banks.
Beran mo na kita, te. May 10 ako dito. No? Kaya dalawa na tayo dito.
Magaganyan pa ba?
Oo. Picture.
You like it?
Yeah.
Magaganyan kasi.
Close,
Patingin
close
sa'yo,
the
bagay
video.
sa'yo eh.
Let's go.
Oh my god, this is so hard. I can't, my brain is already out of my head. Oh my god. Oh my god, I cannot. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
You like it?
He likes it so much. This one, 2 of us. Okay, let's go.
You need one for you?
Here at the very entrance of Petra Jordan. Take a look. That's the main entrance. Let's go. Before in the Philippines, when we say Petra, the first thing that comes in our mind is Petron Caballo, but there's more to Petron Caballo than Petron Caballo. Petra is just unbelievably beautiful place here in Jordan, and the formation of rock is like out of this world. By the way, it's Ola, it's Pola. Saying mabuhay from Petra. So now we're going to enter quite a narrower, how do you call this one? Pathway. Yeah. So I'm gonna put my phone so you can see how narrow it is. So that's the pathway. That's how narrow it is. It's 360 degrees beautiful. So what else can you ask for?
So we are heading
Beautiful
on the
360.
So Al-6 is the narrow.
Oh my god, I feel like, is this Earth?
It's part of the earth, right?
It's been 25 minutes of walking non-stop, and of course with this view, with this beautiful pathway, and now I can see from here one of the reasons, the main reasons, or should I say one of the main reasons right here is the treasures. Come take a look. Oh my god! Now everyone's here, and I finally see a camel for the first time in my life. Wow.
My friend, I'll see the view later. 10 minutes
Okay, so now I'm looking for my friend
later.
with this obstruction
Thailand,
board.
let's. Woo.
I'm gonna take a 360 degrees shot for this one. So this is the lost city.
This is the beginning. Treasury.
Treasury.
Yeah.
That's a treasury.
This here,
Sailor.
this up the view.
Ah, that's the view.
10 minutes by walk.
Okay, but we gotta. Where's my friends?
Where to go?
Where have they gone? Oh, the camels.
The Treasury or Alcazne is one of the most famous monuments here in Petra. It is a 39-meter high mausoleum for the kings and queens of Nabatian.
And now we're done with the treasures and we're going to our next stop. I don't know.
So since this tour is all about walking and being under the sun, bring water with you and stay hydrated. Very important.
I'm just here. This is actually the dream for all Instagram, you know, crazy people. Yeah, if you haven't gone to Petra, I think your Instagram is never gonna be completed. Or you won't be, for me, Petra should be a requirement to be famous on Instagram for travel category. Yeah.
Doon, bili tayo mamaya ha. Call nilamig ako, kailangan ko na mas paano.
So almost every second in every corner you will see camels, horses or donkeys or even other mode of transportation they have here. So better be careful because these animals will not adjust for you. As you can see on the side, they are also selling locally made handicrafts, souvenirs like bracelets, necklaces, different stones. They even have the blackest eyeliner, and of course the ref magnet. Very important. And if you travel with your friends, stay with your friends. Otherwise, you will waste a lot of time looking for each other. Petra is a big city. There's a lot of things to see, a lot of things to do. So if you plan to do all of them in one day, you better not waste time. I think the most effective way is to ride a horse or a camel from the Treasury going to the farthest location of Petra. And once you decide to go back, that's the time you walk. Take photos, buy souvenirs, but still don't waste time. So despite being time pressured, remember that you are here to have fun and enjoy. So be colorful and
Brace
fabulous.
yourself as we enter another entry.
Okay, dalawa kayo ni Paul. Smile. Paul.
Nothing there.
No, I just wanna
Experience.
Just experience. So this is inside. This is used to be our house. Bahay na. Bahay ito. Ito sila nakatira dati. Yeah.
cave.
It's a cave.
So that's it. It's quite small, so I think it's best to leave.
The Bedouins.
From camel to donkey, donkey, look, hi, hello to donkey. Hi, smells so good.
That swirly there.
Again. After a long walk, it is my honor and privilege to introduce to you Her Majesty, Her Excellency, the original Petra Caballo. Behind me is a Century 80 Nabatian Theater in Petra, situated 600 meters away from the center of Petra. In front of it is a tomb of the Roman soldiers.
Hi. Nothing is more beautiful than having the best place, one of the best places on earth, and ride in this Jordan horse.
Where are you from?
Philippines. Thank you. Huh?
You married? Yeah, Anna. You are single?
Yep. I dream about you all the time.
Without a doubt, this is for sure the most beautiful place I've ever been to, under the category Natural Beauty. And now we're going back to the main entrance where our tour buses are waiting. If you enjoyed my vlog, feel free to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and hope to see you soon.
So that was Petra Jordan, the 8th wonder of the world.